Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 7 Geography, chapter number 6 Natural Regions. Students, today we are going to solve the question answer of this exercise. Number 1. Question number 1. Read the following statements carefully. Correct the wrong ones and write them down. Number 1. Due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are not energetic. Wrong. Due to the mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are energetic, industrious, and enthusiastic. Number 2. The prairie region is called the wheat basket of the world. Right. The prairie region is called the wheat basket of the world. Number 3. The trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. Wrong. The trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and bark is quite thick, therefore there is a low rate of the transpiration. Next, the camel is an important animal. The hot desert region, as it can survive without water and is useful for transport. Yes, because of that camel is known. Next, number 5. Carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in large numbers in the equatorial region. Wrong. Carnivorous animals like tiger and lions are found in the large numbers in the grassland region. Question number 2. Give geographical regions. Number 1. People in monsoon regions are mainly engaged in agriculture. Answer. The monsoon region receives rainfall in the specific season from southwest monsoon winds. The main annual rainfall in the monsoon region is 250 mm to 2500 mm. The summer temperature of monsoon region is between the 27 degree Celsius and 32 degree Celsius. Its winter temperature is approximately between the 15 degree Celsius to 20 degree Celsius. The soil, rainfall, temperature and other climatic conditions are suitable for growth of variety of crops in monsoon region. Therefore, people in the monsoon regions are mainly engaged in agriculture. Number 2. Trees in equatorial forests grow tall. Answer. The summer temperature of the equatorial region is around 30 degrees Celsius. The main annual rainfall in equatorial region is around 2500 mm to 3000 mm. It rains throughout the year in this region. Sun rays are mainly perpendicular in equatorial region. Heavy rainfall as well as hot and humid climate support the growth of variety of trees in equatorial region. Trees also grow in rapid speed to get maximum sunlight in this region. Thus, trees in equatorial forests grow tall. Question number 3. Vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. The winter temperature of tundra region is approximately 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. These temperatures do not support the growth of vegetation. The mean summer temperature of tundra region is 10 degrees Celsius. Due to availability of sunlight, short grass, small shrubs, flowers, lynch's moss, etc. grow in tundra region. But during long winter, the natural vegetation in tundra region disappears at rapid speed. Thus, vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is latitudinal extent of the tundra region? The latitudinal extent of tundra region is approximately between 55 degree north and 65 degree north parallel. 55 degree north to 65 degree north parallel. Number 2. Name any 3 herbivorous animals from the Sudan region. What has natural endowed them with for self-protection? Answer. Names of the herbivorous animals from the Sudan regions are giraffe, zebra, kangaroos, and natural endowments. Nature has endowed herbivorous animal with speedy legs. Carnivorous animal attacked on herbivorous animals for hunting. Such time speed legs of herbivorous animal enable them to run and protect themselves from the carnivorous animal. Next question. What are the characteristics of monsoon region? These are the characteristics of monsoon regions are temperature, rainfall, other features. These are the climatic. Temperature. The summer temperature of monsoon region is between 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. In winter temperature is approximately between 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall in the main annual rainfall in the monsoon region is 250 millimeter to 2500 millimeter. Other features. Monsoon region get rains in specific season from southwest monsoon winds. Rainfall is heavily variable and its distribution is quite uneven in the region. Characteristics related the natural vegetation. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are seen in the monsoon region. The natural vegetation from the region depends upon the distribution of rainfall. The characteristic related to human life. Occupation in this monsoon region. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in monsoon region. Hamlets. Large number of small hamlets is seen in this region. Diet and costume. Considerable difference in diet and costumes of the people found in this region. Population in monsoon region is mostly involved in primary occupation. I hope students you understood here this exercise. You need to write this exercise good handwriting in your notebook and need to learn it. Thank you. Have a good day. And question number 4 you solve in your textbook only.